Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Shooter for Hire, but you can call me Shooter, and this is 5 minutes with Shooter, man. Shout out to everybody that was fucking with the last one that I dropped, man. I truly appreciate your viewership, your comments, and the love behind the scenes. Thank you very much. Salute. But let's get into it, man. I got a couple of questions that was not a couple of questions, but there's a question that I was asked the other day in regards to savings account versus stock market. Which one is better? And honestly, ultimately, it's up to you to decide where your money should go, right? I am not a financial expert. I can't tell you where to put your money, but since the question was asked to me, I'll give you my opinion on which one, in my opinion, is the best one. And I say the stock market. And there is some risk behind stock market, putting your money in stock market compared to putting your money in a savings account. Savings account, of course, you putting that money in there. It's really not growing interest. The interest is very low. You really got to find a high interest savings account. Usually, those are your online banking, not more so your brick and mortar. But that money really don't survive inflation. Yes, you put $10,000 in. 10 years later, if you don't put any money in, it's still $10,000. But you got to think about inflation, right? Is that $10,000 still worth the same from 10 years ago? Probably not, right? That's the sad thing about putting your money in a saving account. It can't keep up with inflation. It's proven, right? As far as stock market goes, depending on how you're trading, your risk of trading, if you're just putting your money into, let's say, index funds, ETFs, etc., um, or large growth funds such as your Google, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Disney, you can expect a decent return, anywhere between 5 to 10% on average at the end of the year. So, by far, the stock market, if you're putting your money in a safe place, far as like the index funds, like I mentioned, or long growth stocks, you can pretty much withstand inflation, right? But you could be a options trader where you're putting your money in and you're flipping options, calls, and puts. Where that's get risky. That $10,000 can a double or triple, or you can lose it all, depending on your risk, right? Depending on how you play it. So, um, for me, I think the stock market is a better suit for my money. Do I have money in savings? A small bit, not that much, but I'd rather put my money in stocks and allow it to grow naturally with the economy for me. So if I had to choose one, and like I said, for myself, it's definitely a stock market. Far as how we do it in our household, my daughter, she has a stock portfolio. We used to put money in a savings, take that money out, put it into so, some growth stocks, i.e., Disney. Kid stuff, right? Disney, um, mostly Disney. Some Nike here and there because she drippy. You know what I'm saying? She got the drip. But yeah, for me, in my personal opinion, I'd rather put my money in the stock market, and do not allow the bank to pretty much use my money for their investment because that's what they do. So hopefully I answered your question. Hopefully put some insight. I highly recommend that you do your own research, do your own due diligence. Um, but if you do decide to put your money in savings accounts, make sure it's a high interest savings account. Check Barclays. It's a good online bank that have good rates. But don't expect more than 2.6, 2.8%, depending, right? So just do your research. If you decide to get in the stock market, hey, join our group, www.generationalwealthuniversity.com. That's our Discord link. Join the group. It's free 99 right now to join. Some very knowledgeable traders in there. More than welcome to ask questions, provide you some information, and hopefully give you a different mindset about the stock market and trading. Anyway, it's 5 minutes with Shooter. I'm pretty sure I'm under my time. That is awesome. I know my last one was right at 5 minutes. So, yeah, got questions? Hit me up. Hit me up on IG, Shooter for Hire. Twitter is I am Shooter for Hire. Make sure you follow all the social links on this video. I think they're like right here, right there. You got the website. And then, of course, the podcast, The Teacher's Lounge. We're streaming on all major streaming platforms: iTunes, Google, Amazon, Spotify, you name it, we're on it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the YouTube. I know it's a lot, but